What's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Rico.
To get those R's rolling for sure.
Rico. Hey, I just wanted to share some exciting stuff with you guys. Rico and I were looking at a commercial property today, and you know, on these freaking huge commercial roofs, it is cold today, but it was freaking like for sure worth it.
Yeah, it was. I mean, these are friends of mine who actually own the building. Now, since all the shows that I have are coming out, they're definitely, you know, staying in touch with me more. So we just looked at one, and I just figured we should definitely shoot some content because there's so much stuff going on. There's a lot of content in insurance realm, public adjusting realm, construction realm that like just doesn't exist. Yeah. So, you know, now we're combining forces, walking jobs together, and
it's cool,
doing the thing. So it's fun.
Yeah. For sure, and it's been awesome because today we've been creating some content and it's been so funny. I think my favorite part is like our outtakes.
Yeah, that we're gonna cut out. No one's ever gonna see.
Yeah, nobody's ever gonna see it because some of the stuff that came out of our mouths is ridiculous. But it's so fun, and so I just wanted to kind of throw this out there. A lot of people don't know that Rico and I have been friends for a long time, trusted relationships that we've built with each other and with commercial property owners across the industry in Colorado and nationwide. It's been just an amazing journey over these last few years, knowing each other and kind of figuring out where we're going, and now we're here. So
yeah, only makes sense, you know, me getting into like even commercial real estate as well and commercial development.
Right.
It just all ties in. So
right. So if you don't know, Rico is on Rico to the Rescue on HGTV.
Tonight's my premiere.
Yeah, that premiere is tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern on HGTV. Anything you want to say? Last words, my brother?
Oh my gosh, last words. No, just, you know, thanks for watching. If you do watch, I do appreciate it. So
yeah, that's awesome. And I have to throw him some props. I've known him for 6 years, and we've seen each other kind of come up. And the fact that he's doing some amazing things such as this on national TV, it's freaking awesome, brother. Props, man.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Watch it tonight. Thanks for joining us. See you guys soon.